moving branches so we can go around, but thanks for the follow, Curtis. Babe, he's out. He's out.
He's out?
Go see if he needs help. I don't know. They're outside, and I'm. Oh my gosh, he needs to get back in this truck right now. Get back in here. Hi. What's going on?
Hold on.
Are we going around?
I'm gonna try.
Is there water down there though?
It's wet, but it's not terrible.
Oh god. Don't go too far. Oh god. Okay, you went around.
I'll make sure he gets. I talked to him too, so I want to make sure he gets around. Awesome.
We need to find somewhere to stop.
I made sure he's okay too, so the driver's okay.
Oh my god.
So what happened?
A big ass tree fell on top of his trailer, and he's kind of out of commission there. Oh boy. Where's the end of the road?
Right here, but you're fine.
Thankfully, this is gonna lessen up. We're gonna be in the eye here.
You're in the front of it right now.
Yeah.
So I would say in about 10 minutes. Are you shit, man?
Oh, are you seeing the stream?
Yeah, I'm back in it now.
Part of the highway is blocked
can't
off at the end, pretty sure.
Oh damn it! I didn't see that.
So if you can get over that fucking exit, bro, there's an overpass from the 10 going up. It's gonna be exit.
Watch out.
So we get home.
That exit 150 is holy shit, that's a big street.
Well, we got another problem up here probably with the trucks.
What is the light on the right hand side?
There's people stopped over on
People
that side.
stopped here on the road.
I know what we're doing is one thing, but the super common is.
No, I think they're not going because the road's blocked. Or, oh, I can see a tree right here in front of me.
Yeah, but they're around it.
Did it hit him? It might have hit him.
I don't know, man. Try to go around that side of them. Go that way.
No, I think. Is there a tree over here? There's a tree in front of him, right here.
Great.
Is it all the way across?
It might be. It might be.
There's water down here, please.
No, I get that. I didn't see that.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Go. Just watch.
Just be careful with that ditch, man. Like, I know.
Are you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
I want them to move over so I can get back.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah, you can get around that. You can probably get.
Oh, there's no way he's gonna get around this. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. I'm 5 seconds behind you, so I'm seeing it.
I just gotta make sure there's no people in here.
Oh, no, there's a train
Yeah, no, I can get around this. I'm not worried about this. I don't worry about scratching my truck.
Hey guys,
It's gonna clear up here in a second.
dude, you gotta see this shit. So they're on the highway. There's trees. Yeah. Here, I'll get the dog. You watch.
Well, we're just about into the eye.
Okay, it doesn't matter. We need to get out of this road. We need to get somewhere safe.
It's like a mile. We gotta go like a mile. But if these guys are all
What is that? We're not even in a lane. Oh yeah, we can't get by. We just have to sit here.
no way. Let's go. Oh my goodness. What was that? I can't see.
Watch your side here. Charlie, you're gonna run into it. This way. You can't get around that way. It's a guardrail.
Oh, it's a jackknife? What's going on?
This is not good, dude.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Can they not get by? I don't understand.
Back up.
I don't know what's... Back up to where, honey?
Out of their way.
Why can't we go by? I think I can get by. I don't know what they're doing.
Okay, well. Against a
I
tree.
don't want to be here.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess they're already down, I guess.
Well, this is not good.
What is he trying to... Oh, God, it's blocking the entire road.
Is it?
Yep.
So what are we supposed to do?
I don't know. I
I think we need to go back.
don't know.
We can't stay here.
We're not even that close. Oh, I guess, yeah, we're a mile away.
Oh yeah, obviously. Oh, I don't know what to do. Please make a decision.
Trying to think here.
We can't stay here.
How bad is it?
Are they trying to move it? Oh god.
Holy shit, what I missed?
There's a tree blocking the entire road.
No one has a chainsaw?
Charlie has a sawzall.
it's not in the eye, close to it. So if you're gonna do anything now, now's probably the time.
No, I know. He's trying. They're trying.
Hey, Beck,
Yeah.
you can turn your windshield wiper down.
Oh, I can't reach it. It's on the other side.
Don't get mad at me. I'm your breezer.
I'm not mad. I'm just nervous.
I was helping Ash with the dogs.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
Alright,
What's going on?
we're gonna sawzall it. We can cut a path.
Oh, I don't feel comfortable with you out there with all the trees.
It's fine.
It's fine.
They've already fell.
Yeah. Not all of them.
And of course my sawzall blade. There she is.
Yeah, we do construction work, so
Oh, I got it.
So, Beck, does it tell you how many people are involved in your stream right now?
9.
9.
Mm-hmm. They're trying to sawzall the tree right now.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Thanks for the stop living.
I sure as hope he has a fucking wood bit on there and not a metal one.
We're in the eye, guys, I think. It stopped raining. They got like 5 minutes to freaking get rid of this tree so we can get out of here. Somebody's got a little tiny axe that they're bringing up.
What the fuck is that hatchet gonna do?
I don't know. They're getting it.
Well, that little thing gonna do. What an idiot.
Hey, they're getting it though. I think they got a path cleared almost. Until we get to the next fucking tree. We're almost to Greenville. That's where we are.
Did you guys get off did you already get off on the exit?
No.
Okay.
I literally just want to stop where there's no trees and yeah. Just stay there, you know? I'm just worried about the trees falling on top of our cars. They're making progress. They're doing good.
So it looks like you guys should be in the eye. Now, Beck,
Yeah.
if you're worried about trees, you're going to be coming up to an overpass. Well, you're going to be coming up to the exit to Greenville.
Yeah.
Just sit under the overpass.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah. That's definitely, yeah.
Because that'll keep you safe from trees. It might be a little bit more windy.
That's fine if it's more windy. I just don't want to get hit with our truck to get hit with a tree. My parents are gonna kill me when they see this video.
So, like, I almost wonder, like, does anyone
It's fine. They're making progress. They're using the sawzall, and it worked to cut like a big branch, so. This is crazy, man. They're all just standing out there talking like this is normal. Can you use the truck against that tree? Chains, ropes. Storm chasing fun, totally. I'm having so much fun. They're literally out there laughing and smiling and talking. Like, get back in the truck and let's go. Oh my God. I'm stressed right now. I'm sorry.
Dude, I think it's hilarious.
I am stressed. If a tree falls on top of the truck and crushes me, I love you all. I don't think these semis are getting through anyway.
Oh, the battery died on the sawzall?
Oh no, I don't know. They're just moving stuff out of the way now. Maybe. It's possible. Those batteries suck.
It's a DeWalt, that's why.
It's a Ryobi.
Oh, even worse.
Oh my God, that's so scary.
Wait for him to go and we should be good.
Please.
Huh?
Just come on.
Charlie, do you have enough room to drive around?
Yeah.
Hold on.
We should.
We're in the eye. The wind's dead.
It's fine. We need to get out of here before the wind comes back.
I know.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him back. He said you guys should be getting up close up to the exit.
Uh-oh, he's back.
When you do, just sit under the overpass.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. Is there another tree in the way?
Is there? I can't see.
Oh, he's just moving branches
okay.
because they don't have a truck. We should have gone in front of them.
I mean, I'm all for help, but I can't see. I can't see it. Oh.
Hey, Charlie, is the sawzall dead?
Is the what?
Sawzall dead.
No, I have. We're good. Oh, he's okay.
He's moving the big stuff.
He's like, it's a rental. I don't give a fuck.
It's a rental. He sounds like freaking Reed Timmer.
And the guy, I feel bad. The guy behind me is such a nice truck. He's like,
I would not leave them
He's
behind.
like, what do you mean we're in the eye? I'm like, yeah. He goes, I was just in Tallahassee. I'm like, yeah. I said that, but it's gonna be calm for a while. And I said, we're good. We just need to get off this road. And then I said, we're gonna need to get off this road and reevaluate our life
Look at that
choices.
tree up there.
And he's like, motherfucker.
Look at the tree up there.
Why?
Because it's across the road.
I can see the edge of the guardrail, so it can't be that far across the road.
It is. It's far enough to not get through.
Yeah, it is. There's a ton of space on the side.
Okay.
Look at that.
Maybe if this road didn't have guardrails, we'd be fine.
I feel bad for you. You want to drive so I can help?
No, I don't want to drive. I don't want to be responsible
You want to know how
for any of
soaking
this.
wet I am? It's like I just jumped in a pool, but you know what? The water's so warm, I don't even care.
Hey, remember what you said earlier? Mama didn't raise a dick.
Yeah, exactly. And you know what? I didn't get the shower, but I just did.
My parents are going to kill you when they find out you did this.
Why? We went through this. We went through this before, to an extent.
Not during the hurricane.
Oh, well, yeah, not during the hurricane.
After.
I plead the fifth.
Bro, turn your wipers lower. They're going crazy.
Well, I have to because then they leave streaks in the stream. Or what do we got here?
You can probably get around. What are they trying to do? Go underneath it?
I don't know.
Holy shit, that's a bigger tree.
Are you guys trying to go underneath it?
get through. But I don't want to leave them stuck.
You think you can? Are you sure?
We can go.
I mean,
you can push some of the stuff out of the way.
yeah, but it's not gonna do much with that. That's pinned against the guardrail there.
He's got a better chance going up under that thing.
Yeah, us, we're gonna have to go to the side, but.
Well, Mama don't know won't hurt her. Yeah, unless she's probably like watching the stream right now, freaking out. And then he just leaves the door open. The hell?
It's a rental. Oh, your car.
Yeah, he just left the door open.
It's not like it's raining.
It's gonna be.
Like, you need to relax.
I can't. Oh, thank God. There's like nothing on the south side of this. I'm like literally looking at the radar right now and I don't see anything on the south side. Like not as bad as the north side.
Oh no, the northeast side is always the worst. But what you're gonna deal with is you're still gonna deal with wind.
Right.
You're just not gonna deal with as much rain.
Right. I don't want to deal with the wind. I would rather deal with the rain.
Oh shit, I'd do the wind over the rain.
No, because these trees are just going to fall over.
Well, you gotta.
Just for shits and giggles.
You're hitting the guardrail.
Next time you grab a souvenir.